Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Guess what? I am in New York City and I'm so excited because I am here with Supermodels Unlimited. So I'm here taking over their social media and I'm also shooting a little bit, so I'm super excited. And today I am gonna do a shoot, and I thought since I'm in New York and I'm gonna get all glammed up anyways, I might as well just film this look for you guys so you can see me get ready for my shoot with Supermodels Unlimited. And I know that I've been working with Supermodels Unlimited a lot, so if you want to learn more about Supermodels Unlimited magazine, go ahead and click the link down below. They're absolutely amazing. Their events are absolutely incredible and it's just been a dream come true working with them. Anyways, today I literally just got the James Charles palette. I know I'm like super late to the game, like sorry guys, but this is gonna be my first time using it. I'm so excited. This palette literally has every color you need. So I literally decided that it was gonna be perfect for New York Fashion Week because I might like get into those colorful colors and do like some neon touches because I've really been liking that lately. But we'll see how everything goes. Anyway, since I'm in New York City, there's a lot of traffic outside. I have some really loud neighbors next to me, so please don't mind the noise. It's New York City, like there's really nothing I can do about it. But let's go ahead and get right into the tutorial. So to prime my skin, I've been loving using the Drunk Elephant skincare products, and they like leave your skin a little bit like sticky, not like gross sticky, but enough to like catch the foundation. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this blue one first, and then I'll go over it with the C Firma serum. For foundation, I'm using the L'Oreal True Match foundation. I'm a little bit more tan. Well, I'm supposed to be. I look really pale in the camera right now. I don't know why. But this is my like darker color and it is N4. I've been loving this foundation, honestly, more than like the Dior Air Flash. And the brush I'm going to use is the Revlon foundation brush. When they sent this to me, they said it was going to come out soon. So hopefully it is out by now. That was like 2 months ago. And these brushes are just absolutely amazing. I'm going to take a little bit and put it over my eyelids too, and this is going to be my eyelid primer, and it's just going to set the base for my eyeshadow. So a lot of you know I'm like obsessed with this Tom Ford foundation stick. The shade is 11 Dusk and it's the perfect contouring shade for me. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my nose because it kind of like is the center of my face, so I kind of shape my contour from there. So I'm just going to go ahead and start like right here in the middle. Okay, so I'm not a pancake anymore. You can see my nose, and I'm going to go ahead and use this brush to do like the outline of my contour for my face, but I'm going to blend it all together with my foundation brush. Okay, so now that I'm all nice and contoured and blended, I'm going to go ahead and use some setting powder. This is the Travel Size Cover FX Translucent Powder, and I'm going to go ahead and first like lightly set all of my skin, and then I'm going to bake under my eyes. Okay, so yay, I get to use my James Charles Morphe palette for the first time. I'm so excited. There's so many color options. Not sure what I'm gonna do yet, but the possibilities are endless. I'm gonna start with this really nice orange color right here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put that over my crease. Next, I'm gonna go a little bit darker, and I'm using a Morphe brush that's a little bit more narrow. It doesn't have a number on it, but it came with a brush set. I'm going to go ahead and use that same color and the same brush, and I'm going to put it under my lower lash line as well. So now that I'm looking nice and bronzy and my eyes are a little bit more defined, I'm going to go ahead and start highlighting with some shimmers. So the first color I'm going to use is this one. It's called Sister, and I'm going to start this like on the inner corner of my eye, and I'm just going to bring it up over my crease. Right now I'm just pulling that shimmer down only on the center of my lids to give it that spotlight effect. And I'm going to take a darker shimmer and put it on the inner and outer corners of my lid. So for the inner and outer corners of my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and use a mix of these two, just kind of depending on what I'm feeling at the moment. I'm probably going to start with this one on the inside and then kind of smoke out the outside with that one. Okay, so I did exactly what I said I was going to do. I put the lighter shimmer on the inside and then I put the darker shadow on the outside. They're both the shimmers, and they do create like that spotlight effect. So for the bottom, I'm going to line my waterline with a brown retractable eyeliner pencil. I'm using the NYX brown eyeliner pencil for this, and then I'm going to go over it and just like smudge that out with the darker shimmer color. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to do before I wipe all of this bake off is to set like a base for my eyeliner. Just to get it super black and pigmented, I like to do like a black shadow as a base and then go over it with the eyeliner. It creates a grip first of all, and it also makes it super, super dark. So I'm going to go ahead and take this black color right here, and I'm going to go ahead and do like a little outline with the shadow on my lash line. Okay, so anything that would create fallout is totally done, so I'm going to go ahead and brush off all of the bake with the same brush I used to apply it. So now I'm going to do like a nice black eyeliner. I'm loving the Feline Flick from Charlotte Tilbury. This is the liquid eyeliner pencil and it's just amazing. So now I'm going to go over that shadow with the liquid eyeliner. So before I go into my powder contour, I'm going to go ahead and prime my lower lashes so that it can dry while I'm doing my contour, blush, highlight, all that good stuff. I love the Lancome Silks Booster. This is the travel size sample size one because it's easier to travel with, but I also have a few of the full size ones as well because the stuff is just that amazing. Okay, so my camera just overheated, so I went ahead and just like filled in my eyebrows. I'm not like the best at eyebrows. You guys remind me that every day on my videos, so I just did that off camera because I'm sure it's not something that you guys are wondering how to do anyways. So for both contouring and highlighting, I absolutely love the Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow palettes. I really dig into this product. I'm going to use this one first to contour, and the brush I'm using is a Shayna B Miami contour brush. And to highlight, I'm going to use the highlighter side, and I'm using a Morphe highlighter brush. For blush, I'm using the MAC Peaches blush with my all-time favorite Lancome blush brush. So before I do my lips and lashes, I'm going to go ahead and just set everything right now. I have this little baby all-nighter spray that I got as one of my Sephora point rewards. So I'm going to use that, and then I'll push it in with a beauty blender when I'm done. So for mascara, I'm using the Monsieur Big Lashes. It's my absolute favorite. I'm just putting it on my lower lash line because obviously I'm going to put Lisa lashes on top. To line my lips, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Lip Liner. And to top it off, I'm using the Victoria Duke Beauty Dramatically Sexy Lips in the shade Yes Queen. So today I'm going to use Icy from the LadyCode shop. I love stacking them on top of extensions. It just gives like a really nice wispy look. Okay, so this is my final look. I'm going to go ahead and finish my hair, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I did my usual like signature half up ponytail that I've been doing lately. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'm going to go shoot now, and I'll see you guys in my next video.